for the G35 came in. Gotta drill some holes in the top so it will stay in. Drilling out 2 holes in the top. Got these holes drilled. They line up perfect. Stock. Also, I only drilled these 2 inner holes. It does have 4 originally on the stock one. You can really get like a Sharpie up in here and mark the inside of it and then drill a perfect hole. But for these outside ones, on the inside, you can't get to it, so I mean, it's sturdy. Got the headlights in for the G35. Just pulled the bumper off. The 4 clips up here. These little clips, there's 3 of them. Pull those out. Then a bunch of 10mm bracket right here. You gotta kind of pull the liner back. And there's 2 10mm. Got the headlights out. Those 4 10mm bolts. And then gotta unclip it from this. Testing them. Brights. And Flagstaff for the day. The homie's running a marathon. Let me take the Raptor out, get some breakfast. Now I'm just cruising. Just wrap these little door trim pieces. Pop out easy. That driver's side was actually broken, so little jank. Couldn't find any of these anywhere. Junkyard, nothing. Threw some JB weld on it, and then gonna throw the little Alcantara piece over it. Got to swap this stock wheel for the NRG quick release steering wheel. First, disconnect the battery. All right, so to get this wheel off, there's 2 little plastic pieces, covers, and then there's a Torx 30 bolt behind each of them to pull this airbag out. So you're gonna need this Torx with a little hole in the head of it, T30. Now the airbag should be ready to just pop out. Yep. All right, now grab yourself a 19mm. Get the best method. Already loose. Just like that. I got it to this point. Cruise control all hooked up. Got the ground coming off the stock wire harness that's connected to this. And this is the ground from the short hub. Some of them don't have that ground. You have to ground it to this. Black to black for the ground, and then yellow to this green one. But if you're not reusing this shit, you throw this one in, and it has this piece on the end of it, but same as this. And it hooks up to that yellow wire. Then these 2 wires, yellow to yellow, black to black. Friday night, going to a car meet, see what we can get into. I'm replacing a door window actuator tonight, Friday night. Shit broke, just went down. Back left window regulator went out. Gonna have to grab one tomorrow. I just had to pull it apart so I could get the window up. Little update on the bike. Got this little Honda Shadow 750. 350 bucks, clean title. Bought it not running. Got it started the other day. The battery was dead, we jumped it. About to go get a new battery right now. And an oil change for it. Taking the filter out right now, about to drain the oil. Got the oil change done. New battery in there. Probably just leave off the video here. I'll start it for the one time though.
Cause we chopping well. These niggas say that they working, but we